You've made it so far that your prospects have opened your email and have been intrigued by your intro line. Now, it's time to demonstrate value to not only differentiate from your competitors, but also highlight why it matters to actually talk to you. And this is what we will use the body of the email for in order to make the email relevant and valuable for the person reading it. I will show you 2 examples of how you can demonstrate value on your emails. Let's look at it. The goal is to connect your prospects' needs to the solution you offer. And it's important because you want to spark their interest and curiosity. What I recommend to do is to highlight their issue, personalize the body and provide value, and also write as if you're talking in person to make it relatable. Let's compare 2 value offerings now. The first one reads, "Allow me to take this opportunity to introduce some of our services to you. Trainings, consulting, list building, lead generation." Where the second one reads, "I have a framework you can freely use that has helped companies like Company Name reduce sales cycles by up to 3 months." While the first one presents a menu and doesn't show a value add, the second one presents a solution and adds value. There's a real big difference here. Let me show you here another way to structure your value proposition. Here we have a quick example. It says, "At your company," which is your own company, "we help enable support," this is something you need to choose from, "companies just like," between brackets, company name, "to achieve benefit." Here obviously the company name between brackets is the client's or the prospect's company name. And achieve benefit relates to your value proposition, or we can say the ultimate outcome your prospects are looking to achieve. Let me show you a real example with the value proposition of the Scalelab. Our sentence will say, "At the Scalelab, we help companies just like company name to scale their sales by consistently finding new clients month after month. We understand that the people we engage with need to find clients consistently, and they need to do that week after week, month after month to have a sustainable pipeline." So this is what we highlight on the email so that we can reflect for the prospect that we have done this before for other companies that are similar to theirs, and we know what we are achieving. To demonstrate value, you need to have a clear idea of your prospect's pain point and how your solution will solve that pain. If you don't currently have it in one sentence, this is the homework you have to do using the framework shared on the video. On the next and final chapter, we will cover the call to action and a summary of your future email templates.